How's school? Beautiful day in the park, as always. Can't wait for the snow. To be quite honest with you, I love this time of the year. It makes you feel alive. I enjoy it. So today's technique, one of my other female students said, "Sensei, the grab." Now the only difference is this. So when Boone grabbed me, instead of throwing the punch, we worked it two different ways today. I'm here, I'm not fighting. We've always said this now. Say right there. One of the things, it's kind of funny, somebody said to me, mentioned to me in my videos, "Oh, it looks similar to another technique." Yes. And it's purposely done. I want you to get comfortable in the techniques, repeat them, get used to that fluidity, that movement. But a lot of techniques can be used for different types of attacks. If I'm here now, he's got his hands on my throat. He's pulling me up into him. I'm doing the same movement, meaning my hand is coming through. I'm dropping up around, pushing that hand off, and I have his arm. Nothing changes. I'm to the opposite side, the same thing. If he's here and he's got his hand on my throat, I'm getting pulled in. I'm working against the weakest part of his hand, which is his thumb. Okay? I'm not fighting him here. I'm going to switch my feet and come out around. When I do that, I come back into that same exact place I was before. Okay? Now, at this point, if he throws a punch, I'm guarding. I'm here. I'm shielding. See right there? My hands are just shielding. Using the shield, using the guard. One, I can strike him very easily. Get him to go up. That's where I want him to go, is I want to come up underneath his arm. I want to get away from being on his inside. I can kick that leg, move through him and around, and dance. It's a dance step. Once I have his elbow, the technique is over. Facing me this way. The biggest part is, again, whether it's somebody says, the difference between an assault and an attack. Okay, so I'm being assaulted, I'm being attacked, it's the same thing, yes. I switch it, or I change the wording around, meaning that I put this as the assault, especially with my female students. If I'm grabbed here and he has his hand on my neck, okay, yes, he's attacking me, but it's that little bit more involved. They're up on you. And I say this to my female students, 9 out of 10 times, they want to have their way with you. They're not going to try to punch you in the face and have their way with you. Majority of the time, it's I want to frighten that person. If they're grabbing you and they have their hand on your neck, the assault. Oh my God. So, again, nothing changes in the movement. Whether it's that choke or that punch, nothing changes. I'll do it one more time. He grabs me up here. He comes in for that punch. All I'm doing is moving in. That's all I'm doing. Moving in. Moving in. The feet switch and you move in. Grab him. He has his hand on my throat. Nothing changes. Nothing. I'm breaking free of the hands. I'm moving in on my opponent. A couple of little options, different ways of doing the technique that we did. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Something happened today in class, and I'm going to pull Boone back in. Usually we do this whole little talking thing on our Instagram to let everybody know that the YouTube page has got a new video. Long class, 2-hour class today. And I've always said I'm very proud of Boone. He works very hard. I'm not big on rank. To me, that's kind of irrelevant. Just perfect your art. A lot of my students don't care about their belts and so forth, but I got to say it to him today. And the way I got to say it to him is, there's a yellow belt in my system, and he got a stripe on his belt today. See the look on his face? Surprise. I said to him I was going to surprise him with something. You did very well. Very proud of you. Went through the technique, went through a handful of time, and then bang, just kept going and going. And he asked me some questions like we always do in class, and he did the technique perfectly. So I'm very proud of him. So, I've said this a million times. I believe in you because you believe in me. I get hit up with these questions. I want you to believe in yourself just a little bit more each and every day. Because you can create magic. I'm going to see you in class. Don't be late. We'll see you all soon. Oh, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Listen, let's just get the word out there. That's the important thing. Got something to say, Boom? Thank you. Class. On behalf of San-Ryu and myself, we'll see you all in class soon. Have a great day. Oos!